Hello all, welcome to our channel. So we have a Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board back in our hand, which we received freshly. So you see a cute Arduino um, flavored board, flavored package basically. So if you see here, when we receive this Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, let us try to see what are all we are going to receive with this board. So if you see this, uh, just try to keep this. So if you see here, we are going to receive following packages. So we are just going to get some compatibility packages. So this is just a supporting document saying thanking, and then we receive some stickers. So you can see here these can be sticked, and Arduino stickers which you can use anywhere on your laptop, on your desk, whatever you want. And then we receive this cute Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi board, which many people are excited about. Okay, so along with this, we receive a transparent acrylic support, which can be used to mount this basically this casing holds the Arduino perfectly with a Arduino logo. You can see the Arduino logo. Wow, awesome case, right? This looks very cute. And then we receive the board with the R4M1 processor, and then ESP32 together as a Arduino R4 Wi-Fi board. So we'll talk about this board, specifications of R4 Arduino R4 board in the coming videos. Thank you.